Morning everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to calculate mode in a specific case of continuous series more than. When such type of question is given, like a question is given, calculate mode from the following data, use inspection method. Now here inspection method is given in the question, so we don't have to make a grouping table or analysis table. If it has been asked to calculate the mode through grouping method, we have to make two tables. Table A is grouping table and table B is analysis table, and after then we have to use this formula and solve it. So this is only the inspection method, very easy. What we have to do is, like the question is given, marks more than 0, more than 2, more than 4, more than 6, more than 8. When the series is given in more than or less than, definitely the frequency given with it, along with it, is cumulative frequency. Now to calculate mode, we have to convert more than series into class intervals. Now when it is given more than 0, that means lower limit is given, more than 0, more than 2, more than 4, more than 6, more than 8, right? And now when we'll write the upper limit, how we can write? The lower limit of the next class interval will become the upper limit of the first class interval. Like this 4 is here, we'll write 4 here, 6, 8 and अब हमें पता है सब में दो दो का है, तो यहाँ हम +2 करके 10 लगा देते हैं. Now what about the frequency? This frequency is cumulative frequency, but we have to calculate frequency here. So how we will write the frequency? We will subtract ऊपर वाले में से नीचे वाले को माइनस करेंगे. Like question is given 50, 45, 30, 20 and 10. This is number of students, cumulative frequency. 50 में से 45 गया 5, 45 में से 30 गया 15, 30 minus 20 10, 20 minus 10 10 and 10 minus 0 is 10. Right? So this is how frequency is calculated. Now we can see that the highest frequency is 15. So 15 is marked as F1. उसके ऊपर वाली F0, उसके नीचे वाली F2. और 15 के साथ वाली जो है हमारी मॉडल क्लास हो जाएगी. We can see here that we locate highest frequency 15 in the class interval 2 to 4. Hence model class is 2 to 4. Now writing the formula of mode, L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into Y. What is F1? L1? L1 is 2, right? We can write here L1 is 2, I is 2, because the difference between 2 and 4 is I. This is 2, so we'll write I is 2. But rest F1, F0 and F2 we have mentioned here. So by writing the value F1 15 minus F0 5 upon 2 into 15 minus 5 minus 10 into 2. So 15 minus 5 is 10, 10 multiply by 2, ये 2 इधर चला गया, नीचे आया 2 into 15 is 30, 30 minus 15 is 15. So this becomes 2 plus 10 into 2, that means 20 upon 15. 2 plus 20 upon 15. अब इसको हमें completely solve करना है, हमने इधर LCM नहीं लेना, right? इसको solve किया तो ये बना 2 plus 1.33. When we add it, it becomes 3.33. So mode is 3.33. I hope you understand how we convert it into. You have already understood it in while calculating arithmetic mean and median. Now this is mode. Again, I have explained it to you so that there should be no confusion regarding it. I hope it is clear to you. If still you face any problem, you can ask me anytime. Thank you. God bless you all.